Here's a payment of $695 on PayPal just last week. Here's another one of $504. And my biggest payout of all time, watching YouTube videos, $1,028. I've seen this trick around for a while now, but I never thought it would actually work until I tried it myself. Literally all you have to do is to click any YouTube video and copy. Hi everyone! So kicking off from my last video on how to quickly earn $2,000 watching videos, I decided to make one tailored specifically to the giant of the stream platforms, YouTube. In today's video, I'm going to show you the one and absolute only way to earn $600 watching YouTube videos. Yeah, I'm aware YouTube is more popularly known for people earning money online by creating videos, but today, you would actually learn how to be making money online doing something that you love, watching YouTube videos. I'd also know for a fact that YouTube is available all over the world, or at least whatever part of the world you're currently watching this video from. So that means today's video methods would work absolutely perfectly for you. Make money, Olivia. Make sure to subscribe to this channel and don't forget to click on the notification bell so you could be the very first to watch every new update I have for you on how to make money online. You can also leave a comment down below on any concerns, questions, and opinions about the video. Now, let's make some money. Alright guys, if you're new to YouTube, although I doubt anyone on the planet is, but if you're new to YouTube, one of the most popular categories is video games. People absolutely love it. Actual videos of people playing and reacting to video games on YouTube are pretty much in higher demand than any other actual category on the website. And as you know, YouTube is one of the top 2 most visited websites in the entire world right now, especially when it comes to video consumption. So what we're going to do now is go into Google and type in the keyword, most popular video games. Here, you can see that there's a bunch of different ones with the likes of Minecraft, definitely, Grand Theft Auto or GTA, PUBG, Fortnite, Super Mario, and just a whole lot of others. So if we actually just think about it for a second, Minecraft is an incredibly popular game. It has an insanely massive community with millions of addicts and enthusiasts. Part of their insane growth came with the infrastructural upgrades done by Microsoft after they purchased the game in 2014. In 2022, Minecraft has a daily active player count of about 3.2 million people worldwide. And for this exact reason, we would work with Minecraft as I show you the absolute only way to earn $600 watching YouTube videos. With that in mind, let's go to a free tool called Google Keyword Planner. Here, we can actually see how many times people search things up on Google or YouTube, and this is going to be very important in just a second. So right now, we're just going to come in here and type in a few things. Say we go with Fortnite, just type in the keyword Fortnite and press Get Results. In just a couple seconds, Google is going to tell us that the term Fortnite actually gets searched 1 to 10 million times per month on an average. So now, go ahead and come in here to type Minecraft, hit Get Results, and just as quick as we can count the letters in the word, Google Keyword Planner responds. Minecraft is also searched 1 to 10 million times monthly. So what we're going to do now is we're going to use Fortnite and Minecraft as an example, and I'm going to show you guys exactly how you can use these games to earn $600 watching YouTube videos. Now, as you probably know, one of the biggest problems of making money on the internet is building a website. A lot of us don't have credit cards that we can use to actually do this type of stuff. However, what most of us do have is that time to invest in these passive income sources. But it's with things like what I'm going to teach you today that you can start gathering some income to further build your brand. What we're going to be talking about today is something called a paid URL shortener. How this works is you can take any link on the internet, shorten it, and actually get paid each time someone clicks it. That's it. That's in plain and simple terms the only way to earn $600 watching YouTube videos. You might be familiar with Bitly. The operation of these paid URL shorteners are very similar to it. However, there's one very important difference. Here, when people click on your shortened link, instead of going directly to the destination, they go to what's called a bridge page. This bridge page shows them a quick ad, and then they go on to their final destination. When people actually click on the links that you generate, watch those ads, and then go to their final destination, you get paid. There's actually a whole bunch of different competitors who do this because there's a lot of people making a lot of money with it. As you can see right here, there's exe.io, Shortest, AdFly, ShrinkMe, ShrinkEarn, and many more. Some offer as high as $8 to $10 per thousand clicks. It might not sound like a lot right now, But if you actually do this in the right way, with the right videos and free promotion platforms, you waste no time going viral and rake in the big bucks. It's also very scalable. You could eventually get to a point where you'd hire numerous virtual assistants to handle a bunch of promotional gigs for you. If you're enjoying the video so far, please hit the like button below and subscribe to stay updated on new videos. Let's go on. So what we're going to do is head over to exe.io. You can click on the link in the description below. Shorten, share, and earn money. Begin signing up for this website by clicking the sign up button in white at the top right of the screen. Fill in a username, email, password, and agree to their terms of use before clicking register. So now all we have to do is find a URL to put here, which I would show you how to do in just a second. If we come in here and type in Fortnite, and just look at this, over 80,000 views in under 6 hours. Here's another one of 400. There's people just watching unbelievable amounts of Fortnite every single day. Now what we're looking for is videos going viral. That's something that close to 1 million views in a day, just like this one. So we would just click on it and copy out the link from the top over here. Now, take that link back to exe.io and paste it right there. These are videos people are already watching, videos that people are already interested in, videos that people are already clicking on. So why not actually push more people to these talented creators' videos so that they benefit in views, and now you also benefit by promoting compelling content you don't need to make yourself. You don't need to record anything or need a website, credit card, none of that. All you have to do literally is just shorten the link of something that already exists, and then every time that already interesting content gets clicked on and watched, you get paid. Once again, I would say, this is the only way to earn $600 watching YouTube videos. Forget what any other thumbnails might be saying. What we're going to do now is shorten this link on exe.io by heading over to our dashboard. Here, click on Create Link at the top left and paste in the link you copied, under Paste Long URL. Then hit Create. It's going to produce a unique link for us right below the window. Now, when anyone clicks the link and view the ads on it, you get paid instantly. Now let's proceed to how are we actually going to get people to click on our links. What we're going to do is simply move to where the people are. Currently, we have just a link for Fortnite, but if we actually type in Minecraft, we can see a bunch of views as well. Almost 100,000 views in less than 7 hours, or over 120,000 in just over an hour. It's crazy. It's really crazy. Anyway, right now, going on to where people actually are, head over to Google and search for Minecraft forums. You can see that they have Minecraft forums right here that were published recently with tens of thousands of actual views and comments. If we come over to the forum by clicking over here at the top, you can see that this discussion room has over 830,000 posts and 91,000 different threads. You can just click on this, for example, and start posting about these games. Maybe also watch a bit of the videos too, so you can post something not too generic when promoting these links. Make it something that the community would be able to relate to. Something like, have you guys seen this new skin on Fortnite? Or, I just watched a YouTuber discover a vibranium pickaxe on Minecraft today. You should check it out. Since this is already engaging and interesting content, you would surely get clicks. Clicks that would add up to the only way to earn $600 watching YouTube videos. Also note that you would have to sign up before you can begin posting on these forums. Another forum is Pake Gamer Forums. This one gets 20 million unique page views per month. That's close to 1 million unique page views every single day. So there's tens of millions of people out there online looking for interesting content related to these games. Just watch them, shrink their links, paste them in forums, and make money. And that's it. The only way to earn $600 watching YouTube videos. Make sure to subscribe to the channel and click on the notification bell, smash the like button, and most importantly, make money. Olivia, I love you.